Hey Karen. Okay, so this is the breakdown. After the chorus, there's 8 counts of 8 of breakdown. 4 counts of 8, you guys are freestyling. Then you guys are gonna go into a really small clump and a triangle. 2 girls in the front, in the middle, 2 girls in the back, on the side. When you guys are freestyling, that's when Trina's just walking by, and then she'll stand in the back while you guys are dancing this part. Okay? So this is the routine. Starting off with your right foot, you're going 6, 7, 8. You're going. Actually, let's go this way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2. Your left hand goes to your chest. I'll do it the other way after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So you're going right, left, left, right. Simple, simple, simple. Up. 1, 2, 3. Facing outward. 4. Okay? So there's a triangle, right? So when you guys are going here and you guys walk backwards, I want you guys to face the opposite way. Yeah? So 2 girls on this side is going to face out. 2 girls on this side is going to walk and face this way. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you guys are going to go body roll with your right foot. Body roll in. I'm sorry. Body roll facing in. Yeah? The other girls are the same way. 8, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. With your left foot. 5, 6, 7. Facing in. So now you guys are facing each other. Now you guys are going to go forward again. This side, where I'm facing in, is going to go up with my hips. 1, 2, 3, turn. 5, 6, 7, front. Same thing with this side. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn. 5, 6, 7, front. So now we're all front. You guys just freestyle back to the position where you're going to do the verse. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you guys start all that. Cool? Let me do it one more time from the front. Now you're going to see the hand movement. It's real easy. Just chest, chest. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 left hand first. 3, 4, 5 throw out. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 facing out. Remember the opposite way than the other girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 facing in. Now you guys are facing together, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, turn 4. Yeah, now you guys are both facing opposite direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you guys are facing front. It's like 6 a.m. and people are texting me already. 7, 8. You guys are all facing in front. Then you guys just freestyle the heck out. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to your position. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do this again because the verse starts again. Do it with music real quick. You should see it. It's real simple. It's right after the chorus, yeah? Freestyle. Freestyle. Just let Trina walk to the back. Freestyle. Get into the club. 2, 4, 6, 8. Boom, boom, boom. Out there. 7, 8. Walk. Up. Press, get it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 6, 7, 8. Real simple. Okay? If anything, call me. Good luck, Aaron.